Today we are going to study about Hopital's rule, and in the next following videos we are going to solve some problems using Hopital's rule. So Hopital's rule states that the limit from x as x approaches a of the function f of x over g of x is equal to a limit as x approaches a of the derivative of f of x with respect to x over the derivative of g of x with respect to x. And now we're going to prove this. Okay, so we know that f of x and g of x are functions of x. So if we find the derivative of f of x with respect to x, or f prime, we know that it's the limit as x approaches a of f of x minus f of a over x minus a. The same applies for g prime of x, which is equal to the limit as x approaches a of g of x minus g of a over x minus a. And now we're going to say that f of a is equal to 0 and g of a is equal to 0, and you're going to see in a moment why. Okay, so let's divide f prime of x and g prime of x. That's going to be equal to the limit of x as x approaches a. These are some limit properties. Over, now you'll see that x minus a cancels and we'll get f of x minus f of a over g of x minus g of a, and because these are 0, f of a is 0 and g of a is equal to 0, we are left with the limit as x approaches a of f of x over g of x.